time I wake up in the morning and I'm getting ready to come to the University of Salford, I'm always excited, like, okay, what are we going to learn today? You know, I'm definitely going to learn something that I never would have thought I'd have learned. So it's exciting and it's amazing. The support system here is great, and it deals with every single aspect of student life as an international student, ranging from accommodation issues, your well-being. They make you feel welcome from day one. My day at the university is always exciting because it's always filled with me using some piece of equipment or using some software, all delivered to us through the university. And I think the most incredible thing is the access I have to all these world-class facilities. They've been designed to help the students to get better at what they're studying and become a better fit for wherever they're going to work in future. If you're an international student looking to study in the UK, you should definitely consider University of Salford because of the support, the first-class support you get from staff. The tutors are amazing. They're drawn right from the professional world. So they're not teaching you as in teaching academia. They're teaching you practical things that you can take out and work that very same day. And they're also teaching you the soft skills, the people skills you need to really succeed in today's workplace. You should come here if you like a diverse culture, a place where international students are very welcome. It's more affordable than other universities. It's also a beautiful place to be. It's an amazing place to be. And I can't help but get a sense of calm every time I'm on campus. You should come to University of Salford if you really want to enjoy the city of Manchester. It's such a vibrant, and amazing and diverse city, and it has so much to offer you. It's busy, there's places to eat, there's boutiques, hangout spots. It's like every world-class city on earth and very accessible from the University of Salford. At the end of every day, I feel fulfilled. Obviously, I feel like a better person. I've learned more about my world. I've learned more about my profession. And coming to University of Salford is definitely a step in the right direction. I have a very clear and vibrant picture of how I want my future to look, and I feel like I'm being prepared to step into that future. So this makes me feel very excited to be here.